Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss. No, not like the rock band, but kinda, whatever. Yay! In any case, welcome back to another installment of Rose Tint My Halloween, the conceptual Halloween series where I take Halloween looks and stuff and things and makeup and hair and I make it really, really pink, but then I also pretend like everything's okay in the universe for like 2 hours. I figure like no Halloween series would be complete without a ventriloquist dummy. Ah! Yes! Yes! You know, like, you get to thinking of the creepy things from childhood, and like I was having this talk with my older brother, who is my editor and my business partner, and he's wonderful. Just about like ventriloquist kind of dummies and creepy things, and we were like, oh my god, Slappy, Goosebumps, Night of the Living Dummy, so freaking good. I had also just watched, I was watching some Twilight Zone, and god, I can't remember the name of the episode. I'm gonna have to look that up, and I'll put it somewhere. Oh god, I totally forgot to like say the thing. Like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook and Instagram, give your hair a kiss, check out my products and exclusive offers at giveyourhairakiss.com. Ventriloquist dummies are they're just creepy. Like, this is probably my husband's least favorite costume. I did it a couple years ago, and he was so creeped out. I'm just styling this with deep conditioner because my hair needs a kiss. She's about ready to color again, so gonna be good to her, be good to that hair. And I got my hood dryer, so I can go ahead and dry this into the shape I want while I'm putting the face on. Yes. Okay. All right. Let's see if I can still do this. I remember in beauty school, like, doing finger waves and being like, when am I ever going to do this? And getting so just frustrated with the whole thing. And my beauty school teacher, she is amazing. She's like just ready for us to start throwing our combs across the room. I'm not gonna throw a comb today.
Tell the kids thank you, Kiss.
Thanks for watching, guys! Remember to like and subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to check out exclusive products and offers at giveyourhairakiss.com.